Today I'll be talking about David and the big giant. Nobody wanted to go against the big giant because he was tall and strong and and taller than anybody else. But one little boy who's named David went up to the giant and he challenged to go against him. And with one little tiny floppy stone right in between like his two eyes, he got knocked out. He got defeated. And the reason that he defeated the giant with one little floppy stone is because he believed in God. Because, like, once you're in a problem, you want to believe in God so He can fix it with you. And so that's what, like, David did to defeat the giant. Because the giant actually didn't want nobody to fight him. But once David came up, he was only a little boy, so he was like, "Oh, I'm gonna defeat you," just because he's a little boy. But since David believed in God, actually it was like just a reverse. So that's why we should believe in God. Kids word of the day: Holy Ghost, no pizza.